Guys, today let's go for a drive in the 2023 Acura Integra A-Spec Tech CVT. So the Integra has the 1.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder from the Honda Civic Si. The A-Spec Tech has the bigger screen and a head-up display as well with the full digital gauge cluster. We also have paddle shifters on the CVT. 200 horsepower. And at the end of the day, even though it is a CVT, has decent pickup for most buyers. For most people who buy this car, they're just going to be using for commuting, which it does a pretty decent job in. It's comfortable. But it is impressive how this car has a head-up display and a full digital gauge cluster at this price point. Not many cars at this price have that. The steering is well weighted as well. It also has a wireless charging tray, and using your dynamic mode you can scroll between comfort, normal, sport. Pretty decent acceleration for a CVT. And the paddle shifters will mimic gear shifts. I mean, obviously it's not going to be like what you expect from a torque converter automatic or a dual clutch or something. But this is one of the better, Honda and Acura have, this is one of the better CVTs in the business. Much better than Nissan's CVTs. I honestly think it responds a little better than Subaru CVTs as well. Yeah, very comfortable car overall. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you enjoyed.